advanced sequence creating with your typical LED park cans or stage lights. I'm going to show you some really fun features that will allow you to do some things that are quite elaborate, that will literally only take you time, maybe 2-3 minutes at most to do, that will look like it took you to do hours. So let's go over here to the programming mode. Again, you'll always hear me say let's clear all. So what we're going to do is create a scene where it's a little bit of a chase. So we're going to select this guy, this guy, this guy, and this one. I'm going to hit initialize. Now, instead of just doing a normal color thing, I'm going to go up here to RGBFX. This is a effects generator that uses specifically colors, and it's actually amazing in my opinion. So I'm going to select it. You'll see here these little funny colored boxes. These are actually color sequences that are created already for you that just kind of come within Disco Lighting software to give you an idea of how to do this. But if you want to create one specifically for your event or your show, you can. Examples for this are favorite colors for weddings or birthdays, or maybe holiday specific events like red, white, and blue, and that's what I'll use for this particular show. So I'm going to go ahead and here and click Create New. I always do clear profile, is just to start from a clear slate. You go down here to select color or plus color. We're going to do red, white, blue, so I'll do red. Okay, so that's the first color in my sequence. We're going to do white. That's my second color. And blue, which is my third. So you'll see I have red, white, and blue. Now to see this take place, I click Create Chase. And if you look over here, you will see that my lights are actually fading in and out of the red, white, and blue. Another useful feature, if I don't want them to fade, I go down here and deselect fade scenes, and you'll see that they are snapping in between the shows, or in between the colors. Another thing that I want to show you is if I play with these offset features here, I can actually make it do an actual chase where it looks like it's a moving pattern. So I'm going to offset this by 1. Now what phase offsetting means is I'm taking this phase, which is basically red, white, blue, and I'm offsetting it by 1 each time. And then this fixture offset is actually saying, okay, start over every new fixture. So that may not make sense the way I'm explaining it, but in doing this, watch what happens when I click Create Chase. So now you have a red, white, and blue chase. And I'll actually see what that looks like with the fade. So you'll notice it looks like it's doing red, white, and blue going from, I think, right to left. Anyhow, and I'll give you an idea of what this looks like on the visualizer as well. So that could be happening on your stage. So another thing that you could do is maybe this is too slow. We can increase the speed here. So much faster. Again, I'm going to pull off the fade scene so we get a little bit more obvious change here. If I want it to be super slow, I can. Or super fast. I mean, all the way up to something crazy like that. Okay? So again, if this were a scene that I would be using at another date, I would simply just go here and click Save Changes as button. For something like this, I'm not going to add in a fade time. I'm just going to call it red, white, and blue. Alright guys, as you can tell, that's how we create a chase with custom colors. And again, like I said, we saved the button over here, so when I click on it, it would be doing the chase. When I deselect, it goes away. Again guys, stay tuned. There's going to be a bunch more videos. I will show you some rather intricate stuff here to where, I mean, you're a full-on lighting designer. So anyhow, we'll see you soon. Bye.